Hello, my creative tribe. Welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. And today we are gonna make poor man's bonsai. What is that? Well, it's a Japanese art of growing plants on a moss ball. It's actually called Kokedama, which is a Japanese word. Koke means moss and Dama means ball. So it is an art of growing plants, ornamental plants on ball of moss. So today we are gonna make Kokedama, which you can keep indoors as well as outdoors. So let's begin. Alright, so things you will need to make Kokedama are compost 1 part, cocoa peat 1 part, garden soil half part, a tray or bowl to mix all the ingredients, gardening gloves, scissors, sprayer, and some water. Other than that, you will need twine, or you can take yarn in any color, or a simple string. Just remember that it should be strong enough so that it can hold the weight of Kokedama. And of course you will need some plants. I have taken ginger plant, spider plant, and celosia for its beautiful flowers. I have added all the information regarding what plants can be used for Kokedama in the description below. And of course in the last you will need moss, which is very important. Sphagnum moss is what you will need, but I didn't get it in any local nursery nearby, so I got this moss stick. It actually has dried moss, but it will definitely work. So I just cut open it and took out all the moss, though it has a lot of cocoa coir inside it, but doesn't matter because it also holds the moisture. The main purpose of choosing moss is because it holds moisture. So the first step is to soak the moss in water. Next up, we'll mix all the ingredients together: soil, compost, and cocoa peat. I have added fertilizer in small amount. Now give it a good mix. Now add some water and make a consistency of dough. Now take a small amount of soil in hands and squeeze out extra water, and then make a ball of soil. It should look like this. Now keep it aside. Spread the plastic sheet on work area. Next, take out the moss from water and wring it to remove the water, and then spread it on a plastic sheet. Remember that green side of the moss should face down. Now crack open the ball in 2 parts like so and keep it aside. Now I'll get our plant ready. Remove the plant from the pot and loosen the soil around the root, but make sure that you are not disturbing the root system. And then place the roots of plant in the center of the ball, and then you have to make the ball again like so. And at this stage, if you want, you can add some more soil. Now place this soil ball on the moss and then gently pick up the plastic sheet and try to wrap moss around the soil ball. Try to make a perfect sphere. Now it's time to wrap string around the moss ball, and you can wrap it randomly or in any fashion you like. You can use yarn in different color like yellow, red, orange, whatever color you like, or you can take thin rope or a string to keep it invisible. And then make a knot in the end and tie a string so that you can hang it. Now to water your Kokedama, you can either use sprayer or just let it sit in a bowl full of water for at least 3-4 minutes and that's it. And here is one Kokedama ball is ready. This looks absolutely stunning. So let's see where I'm gonna hang it. I'm gonna make few more and then I'll show you. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this video and you will be making your own Kokedama very soon. And if you do, then don't forget to share the images on my Instagram or just email me at designdecoranddisha@gmail.com. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Bye bye.